Some memories don't need words. They live in a gentle touch, a warm smile, and the silent moments shared together. On this peaceful day, Grandpa didn't prepare anything special. He simply sat beside Sam, watching him explore the world with endless curiosity. Sam climbed onto Grandpa's shoulder, gently touched his face, and looked into his eyes as if asking, "Will you always stay with me?" Grandpa smiled. No promises were spoken. But every patient glance, every gentle laugh, and every quiet moment answered that question. As the day went on, Sam played, discovered new things, and returned again and again to the place where he always felt safe. Grandpa sighed. Sometimes love isn't about doing something extraordinary. Sometimes it's simply being there. These little moments have become beautiful memories that time can never erase. Thank you for keeping these memories alive with us.